Hey everybody, Varun here once again from Language Academy. Guys, we have just moved to a new Parramatta campus. Guys, very excited to announce that this is even a bigger campus. We have got a computer lab here where a lot of students practice every day. They get their 𝗧𝗲𝗃 score and yes, they get regular feedback as well. Over here, I have got a speaking lab where people or students who are especially struggling in the speaking section, they practice in a similar environment which they'll get in the exam, which will help them get used to the environment and smash the exam in the very first go, guys. Guys, on this occasion, we have decided that for a very limited time, we are giving $100 off on all our courses. Doesn't matter if it's a PTE Unlimited course, PTE Crash course, NAATI course, NAATI 8-week course. We are giving $100 off on each and every course, guys. But this is not the thing. We don't just want you to come here and enroll. What we have decided is we are offering a free trial class for PTE and NAATI, all the languages. And after a trial class, we want you to make a decision that is this environment the environment you want to claim 25 points towards your permanent residency. We want you to experience how we teach, how special you are for us, and then take a proper decision, guys. So book your trial class, attend a free trial class first, and then get $100 off on all our courses, guys. If you want to attend a trial class, call us on the numbers given below or send us a message. We'll be with you shortly, guys. Thanks, guys. I'll see you very soon. Thanks, guys.